Good evening and welcome to JK News Network. You're watching Evening Bulletin with Bushra Naseem. Here we bring the updates from India and all over the world. So let's get the top news first. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation through Mann Ki Baat program for 69th time on Sunday. In the meantime, he advised people to be very careful in avoiding corona. Raised concern over ending the tradition of telling stories of children. He assured the farmers that their bill will be benefit, not their loss. He mentioned Amar Vyas, who has started a Gatha website, Vidya Raghavan of Chennai, Kathayala, an India storytelling network of popularizing storytelling and forming network of storytellers. Atriya thanked the PM for highlighting the importance of storytelling, speaking on the importance of stories to impart good values and sanskar to the children. Mr. Modi requested all storytellers to document and disseminate stories from all freedom movements and are trivial under colonialism to mark 75 years of independence. The movement of a group of 5 terrorists was noticed in Pakistan side of the IB in Samba sector by alert BSF troop. The group of heavily armed 5 terrorists tried to enter into India territory but was engaged where they reached taking advantage of thick vegetation, the spokesman said. This is the second attempt of the infiltration through the Samba sector by the terrorist group after September 14-15. The border security force on Sunday said it foiled an infiltration bid along the international border and pushed back at least 5 militants in Jammu Samba sector. The spokesman said the BSF troops channeled the infiltration to stop, on which they started firing on BSF party with Pakistan. On which they started firing on the BSF party with Pakistan Ranger Post also giving fire support to these militants. The rounds of questioning and arrest in the Bollywood drugs connection case are continuing. The NCB in the drugs angle has suffered in the case of Sushant Singh Rajput death was presented in NDPS court today after Kashtiji Prasad was arrested. The NDP's court has sent Kashtiji Prasad on NCB remand till 3 October. The NCB intercepted Deepika Padukone for about 6 hours on Saturday. According to the report, during the question and answer, Deepika wept not once but thrice time. It is being told that during the time NCB officials has advised them not to play emotional cards. According to an Indian Today report, NCB officials folded her hand after seeing tears in Deepika's eyes. Also said that instead of playing emotional cards, if they tell everything the truth, it will be better for them. Before implementing the nation education policy 95897, teachers have to be appointed in Jharkhand. There are so many vacancies in various schools of the state. At the beginning of implementation of the policy, it has been recommended to fill the vacant posts of the teachers. For how long the Jharkhand government will make the appointments, the central government has proposed to make a time-bound plan. Also, it is said that the ratio of student teachers in every school needs to be corrected. Under this, it is necessary to have 1 teacher for every 30 students. However, in the areas of socially and economically weaker children, every 25 children have been taken to 1 teacher. However, no initiative has been taken by the Jharkhand government in this direction. The Department of the School Education and Literacy has sent the details of the teachers out from the center. Former Union Minister Jashwant Singh has died. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has mourned his death. Here, with the announcement of Bihar election 2020 dates, the political stir has intensified. Gupteshwar Pandey, who took voluntary retirement from the post of DGP, will soon start the political inning with JDU. This evening, he will join the party of Nitish Kumar. The havoc of coronavirus is once again seen increasing worldwide. Shrinomani Akali Das had decided to part away with the NDA on Saturday in protest against the Kisan Bill 2020 protest. In Sushant Singh Rajput case, the action of the NCB is going on. Stay connected with JK News Network for more updates. Thank you.